How to connect a smartphone to the Renault Espace from 2010. Okay, so the phone is started. You can see something on the screen. Now press the start button two times, and you should see something on the dashboard. So press it once, you see the kilometers. Press the button again, and you should see the navigation here on the right side also. 10 degrees Celsius and 4 o'clock and 9 minutes. That's the map. It's not working, by the way. Now press the set button. Set. It's showing this display audio navigation. Now use the joystick, pull it down, and then press it into enter into something. So down, down, down to phone, and now press it in to enter there. Come down, delete phone, ring, Bluetooth setup, enter there, Bluetooth setup, press the joystick in. Okay, pair a new phone, press enter, press it in. Please start pairing from your Bluetooth phone and then enter the pin 1234. Swipe down again, and here's Bluetooth. So enable Bluetooth, and it's showing this. By the way, let's close it and go onto Bluetooth once again, and now press and hold it. Press and hold Bluetooth, connect to whatever. Let's refresh it. This should be audio device, headset, car kit. The name should change, yes. So go onto that My Car. It says pairing, and enter pin to pair your device. That pin is 1234, as it's mentioned there. So enter 1234 and pair. It says phone connected V30. Yes, that's an LG V30. Now leave Bluetooth enabled. There's the sign, that one. And now if we go back from here, we see that 10 degrees Celsius, we see those vertical lines, and then the 4 o'clock and 30 minutes. If I turn off Bluetooth on my phone, those vertical lines will disappear. Let's just try that. So Bluetooth is here, it says My Car. Tap on that one and phone disconnected. The lines disappeared, degrees Celsius remained, and if I enable Bluetooth again, it might not work from the first. Currently it says 10 degrees Celsius. So to make it search again for the phone, press the button again, it turns off, press it twice again, and now it should detect the phone, because Bluetooth is enabled here, phone connected, and there you can see those vertical lines also. Okay, and now since the phone is connected to the car, now if somebody calls you, then you can answer from here with this button. Green picks it up and red puts it down, so with that button you can answer a call and cancel one. The microphone is up here, and the speakers are of course down there, and everybody can hear what you're talking. And by the way, you can go to My Car, the Bluetooth, okay, then you can delete My Car from here also. So go onto the wheel at My Car, and you can unpair it, and you should see disconnected there. So I'm tapping on Unpair, phone disconnected. Okay, so the car was deleted from the phone. Now you can do the same thing. We can disable Bluetooth. Okay, we can do the same thing from the car also. We can delete the phone from the car. So go back to set, come down to phone, come down to Bluetooth setup, and now not pair a new phone but remove paired phone. Okay, and there's the V30. Press the joystick in, delete Bluetooth phone from paired list. You can select yes or no and go to yes.
When you connect a mobile by Bluetooth, please register again.
So the phone was deleted from the car itself. Okay, to do it again, let's go back there at Bluetooth setup. Let's enter there, pair a new phone. Now I have less options. Okay, let's start Bluetooth from here also. Let's search it. Audio device headset that should turn to my car. It says pairing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair it. Phone connected, it says on the car. And close it. Bluetooth is there. If I go back, those lines are up there, so the phone and the car are connected once again. If I disable Bluetooth here, the lines will disappear. Phone disconnected. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.